Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to add clock widget to Notion. So let's get started. Step 1. Flip clock widget. Head over to widgetbox.app and sign up. Once signed up, find the digital retro clock and create it. Customize the colors and style to your liking. Copy the widget URL. Step 2. Embed in Notion. Back in Notion, type -embed and add an embed block. Paste the copied URL and click Embed link. Adjust the size if needed. Step 3. Analog clock widget. For the analog clock, go to indify.co, sign up and create a clock widget. Customize the clock type, time zone, and style options. Copy the widget URL. Step 4. Embed in Notion. Repeat the embedding process in Notion with the analog clock widget URL. Adjust the size as desired. That's it for this video. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!